Oh my God, TikTok. Here we go again. Facebook Marketplace, I'm telling you, is the new black market, right? It's a new back page. Whatever you want to find, whatever you're looking for, you could find it on Facebook Marketplace. I'm telling you, it might not be legal, but you can find it. All right? This guy is selling a 2022 Dodge Charger sedan, 9,000 miles, right? And he's telling you, no title. Do not tuck my air off. He don't want to hear nothing. And he also telling you, on top of that, if you're looking for a trackie, if you're looking for a Trackhawk, hey, tap in. He got you. All right? He's selling this white body right here for $14,000. $14,000. So if you're going to buy this car, I hope you know what you're getting yourself into. This car is hotter than hot. Hotter than hot, man. All right? Don't be driving that shit on the road because you know already what time it is. You know what I'm saying? 112 getting behind you. I hope you ain't stopping. All right? You better get in that race. You already know what time it is. This shit hotter than hot. But I'm telling you, man, Facebook Marketplace, hey, man, they got everything on there. Check it out, bro.